This video will show you how to make a group reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily book more than one room for a guest. Let us see how. Under the desired room type, click the check-in date and drag the selection till the checkout date. In the quick reservation panel that opens, fill in the basic details of the group owner, like first name, last name and phone number. Now, select the number of rooms required. Click Group. The Group Reservation tab opens up. It contains the details of the booking. To add or edit the group owner details, click Add, Edit Details. The Guest Information panel opens up. You may update the group owner information in the Guest Information panel as desired. After updating the information, click Save. Scroll to the bottom of the page to add guest information in the group reservation. To enter guest information, click Add, Guest Details. Fill in the mandatory requirements. Click OK. Alternatively, you can add guest information using the Guest List button. Select the checkbox corresponding to the reservation. Click Guest List. Follow the same process as shown earlier. Click Save. Click Reserve to confirm the booking. The new group reservation will be created on the front desk. Note that group reservations are indicated by G and multi-window symbol. This brings us to the end of the video on how to make a group reservation.